Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
First, allow Snapchat location permission in your phone settings. This grants the app access to your position. Open Snapchat to the camera screen and pinch with 2 fingers to open Snap Map. The map loads your friends and recent snaps from nearby places. Tap the gear icon to open map settings and choose between My Location or Ghost Mode. My Location shares your live location with selected friends. Ghost Mode hides you for all viewers until you turn it off. To find a friend, pinch to open the Snap Map and view friend Bitmojis. Scroll and zoom the map to see friends scattered across the display. Tap a friend's Bitmoji to show their profile and last active status. If the friend recently opened Snapchat, their location will update within about 100 meters on the map. Use the Directions button to open your phone maps for navigation, or tap Chat to message them and request a live location update directly. Manage your privacy by selecting specific friends to share location within map settings. Use Ghost Mode to hide your location from everyone until you switch back. Remember, location stops updating when Snapchat is closed or when you choose Ghost Mode. You can remove someone from your list to stop sharing with them immediately. If a friend's location seems outdated, ask them to open the app. Also check your phone location services and app permissions for accurate updates.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.